squad is an all-star squad. Are y'all down?
Yeah, girl, we tighter than a new weed.
Now let's do this.
Lena was on her way to the top when life knocked her back to the bottom.
Mom thinks that going to school in Malibu is the best thing that ever happened to me.
You can't complain about moving to Malibu. You got to be living large.
Mi casa es su casa.
Hey, what's it like there? Lifestyles of the rich and annoying. Who are they?
Malibu Jaguars. All-star squad.
My East LA squad is like this close to becoming all-stars too.
Wow. And I'm like this close to caring.
When Avery's mean to you, it means she sees you as a threat.
To prove herself in her new school,
Only reason you sweat me is because you know that I can beat you.
Hey, Goof is on? Go post it for your BFF on your fungus-filled Facebook page.
You want this school to respect you, right? Then you need to respect yourselves.
it'll take friendship,
Mess with my squad, you mess with me, Avery.
family,
You're my true sisters.
and a fight to the finish.
Let's take them on for real at the All-Star Championship.
It's the hottest Bring It On yet. Bring It On. Fight to the finish. An all-new movie starring Christina Milian.
Tráelo.
I don't speak Taco Bell menu, so what does that mean?
Bring it.
Coming soon.